Alright, let's do this now and then. To start crocheting this, the top part of the hat. Wait first, we need to find this place where the needle was first inserted. You can see it right here. It's the braid needle. There's a noticeable V shape here. And then the first one to the left of the braid pin. The first line that goes across. That's where we're gonna put the needle. Wait first. Hook a coil over here. Draw a standing stitch. Here we go. We're gonna crochet 12 short stitches. It's right here where the needle was inserted. Start with a short stitch. If you can't tell if you're doing something wrong, we count them when we crochet. If it's 12, it's right. After the 12 stitches are done, we find the first stitch. Make a drawing needle. Next, crochet a second loop. The second round starts with 2 short stitches. Then draw a reduction stitch. How about 3 loops? 1. 1 reducer. Keep crocheting down. Here on the first stitch, make a draw stitch. Then crochet a third time. The third round is a short stitch and a reduction stitch. How about 3 loops? Reducing stitch. Alright, next, do a stand-up needle. We'll crochet the 4th circle. On the 4th line, crochet 6 short stitches without adding or subtracting. When finished, hook a drawing pin. The tip of this hat is right here. A little too small. It's gonna be a little hard to hook people. Just be patient. Then do a standing stitch. Here we do 3 reduction stitches. Because this is smaller, so we're right there. A coil was drawn out of each needle. 3 coils are then formed. I just took it with me. This is also a form of needle reduction. That's how you hook a coil out. Then the next stitch. Also hook out a coil. And then take it with you. And then the last reducer. After the 3 subtraction stitches are done, what we do here is we make a drawing pin. Then disconnect and pull it out. With this needle, let's do a tail over the head. Just the one with the 3 reduction stitches. Just circle together and then it turns the top of his head into a point. And then we're gonna wear it. After this is done, let's cut this thread. This is where you want to draw the needle. We'll just take this. It's just the tip of the hat with a little bit of a dent in it. And then we took it out before. Hooked it to this little moon. What if there's no hooking up? Just hook up this little moon. And put it on top of this hat. One thing to note here. The moon, if you want it to be smaller. Right here. This is the last place to make the long needle. Just make it shorter and it'll look smaller. This is more delicate. And that's it. If you're worried it's gonna break, just wear it back and forth a few more times. That's how the hat connects to this little moon. It's done. Now let's do a lap. This outer brim part. Let's take out this light yellow. Hook here, 15 braid pins. If it's just a difference in tightness this. What about the one with the braid pin? Well, you can just take control. Then connect it end to end. We put it on this. Feel the size on the hat. If that's the right thing to do, we can just disconnect. That should do it. And then crochet it to the end of this thread. Bring it to the other side. So this step is complete. You can use a glue stick after that right here. Put some dots on it and hold it in place. If you're worried about a glue spill, you can also split the thread into one strand, then sew it up. When the glue stick is used, we can get him scissors. Make it sharp. Because we're here to glue the brim of this hat. He doesn't need so much. A little bit like that. It is easier to control the amount of watering. Use the slow heat inside to burn the glue stick. It won't burn black so easily. Make sure you just pinch it a little bit. Okay, here I am. And Jen. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this wire. Leave a little. Let's first determine this location. The one that pulls the needle is in the back. We're right on the side. On the side, we'll use this hat. Take control of this position. Let's put it in the middle first. Then slowly roll it out. You need to press down on it a little bit. That way the glue won't come off. Now we're going to sew this arm part. This is after our hats are fixed. The arm position is this one behind this one. Draw the needle here. Get in toe. It's just symmetrical on both sides. We'll wear it when it's fixed. A few stitches will hold the thread in place more firmly. Alright, let's get this thread in here. Once it's fixed, we'll cut the threads off. That way one little arm is in place. And then we're going to do the same thing. Let's fix the other one. Now the little arm is installed. We're going to install that next. Let's just count them first. It's just how many stitches there are between these two little arms.